Are you considering filing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy? Do you want information about how the process works? Hi, I'm David Candler Hicks of Alliance Legal Group. We're a Florida-based law firm that focuses on helping clients who are facing bankruptcy. Join me today as we discuss Chapter 13 bankruptcy. In a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you can keep your property, but have to pay back all of the secured portion and some of the unsecured portion of your debts over a 3 or 5 year period. This differs greatly from a Chapter 7 bankruptcy where most of your debts are canceled. Chapter 13 requires you to use your income to repay some or all of your debt, so you must prove that you can afford to meet your proposed payment plan. If your income isn't steady or is too low to support your Chapter 13 payment plan, the court might dismiss your case. The same will be true if your total debt is too high. Assuming you're eligible, before you can file for bankruptcy, you will be required to receive credit counseling from an approved agency. To begin your bankruptcy process, you file a petition for bankruptcy with the bankruptcy court, along with a number of supporting documents. The most important part of your Chapter 13 paperwork will be your repayment plan. Your repayment plan will describe in detail how and when you'll be able to pay your debts to each creditor. Generally, your Chapter 13 plan must pay certain debts in full. These debts are called priority debts because they are important enough to jump to the head of your obligations. Examples include child support, alimony, wages you owe employees, and certain tax obligations. Next in line are your regular payments on secured debts, such as a car loan, a mortgage, as well as repayment of arrears on any of your debts. Your plan must also show that any disposable income you have left after making these required payments will go towards repaying your unsecured debts. The length of your repayment plan depends on how much you earn and how much you owe. Most plans are either 3 or 5 years. If for some reason you cannot finish a Chapter 13 repayment plan, for example, if you are to lose your job in the middle of the repayment period, the bankruptcy trustee may modify your plan, or the court might let you discharge your debts on the basis of hardship. Once you complete your repayment plan, all remaining debts that are eligible for discharge will be wiped out. The fact is, bankruptcy can be a complicated process, and some of the information I've shared today may seem a bit confusing. Contact me, and I'll be happy to discuss your situation with you, explain your best options, and answer any questions you might have. Best of all, it won't cost you a thing. I'm David Candler Hicks. Have a wonderful day.